Want this? Open Filmora 13 and go to Titles. These are hand-picked cinematic titles that you can use in your projects. First, Big Screen Pack Opener. Double-click the title clip to edit the text. This is an easy way to craft your own cinematic titles in just a few minutes. You may change the font size and style. In the next part, I will add sound effects to it because the title doesn't have any. Add the slash sound effect and repeat it until you get your desired effect. You may also want to search Grunge Metal Productions cinematic titles. Let's try this one and make it a sci-fi or thriller cinematic intro. After editing the text, move to the most important part, which is the sound effect. Just like that, easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's try another one. Add it to your timeline and look for a suitable sound effect. Edit the text with your own title. You may also add other effects like this glitch. Another keyword to search is superhero. You may also use this music for the superhero intro. Lastly is the comic strip titles. These are good when doing some animated content and more. I hope you find this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching, keep creating, and I'll see you next time.